Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you discrete probability. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, below is a discrete probability functions. Part A, complete the probability distribution table for the functions. So first of all, we know that for this function, 1a of x squared is only applied when x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. And this one here, which is k bracket x minus 2, this only apply for when x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4. And for any other numbers, so the functions, the probability is equal to 0. Okay, keep that in mind. So to complete this, first of all, when x is equal to 1, so when x is 1, is this one here. So this means that we need to apply this function here. So when x is equal to 1, so that means p of x is equal to 1. So this will give me, so 1 over 8, x is equal to 1. So that means 1 square. So 1 square is 1, and times 1/8 is 1 over 8. Otherwise, you can just put that on a calculator. So the probability for x is equal to 1 is 1 over 8. So there you go. So when x is equal to 2, so when x is equal to 2 here, so this is 2. So therefore, it's also in these functions. So p of x is equal to 2. So that becomes 1/8 of 2 square. So we know that 2 square is 4. 4 times 1/8 is 4 over 8. Otherwise, just put that in a calculator and you can simplify. It's a half. But let me just write 4/8 for now. Okay. So that is 4/8. So when x is equal to 3, so 3 is here. So therefore, we need to apply to these functions. So that is p of x is equal to 3. That will give me k and 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 times k is k. So this is k. And when x is 4, so this is 4 here. So we need to apply to this function here. So therefore, p of x is equal to 4. So that will give me k 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 times k is 2k. So the answer is 2k here. So there you go. So now we need to find the value of k for part B. So to do this, we know that for a probability functions, so all the probability must add up to give me 1. So in another word, let me just write this down. So 1/8 plus 4/8 plus k and we plus 2k and must give me 1 because it is a probability function. So they all add up must give me 1. Okay. So we go 4/8 plus 1/8 is 5/8. And then we add and we have k plus 2k. So that give me 3k. So 3k, which is equal 1. So let me just move this on that side. So 3k must equal to 1 minus 5/8. So 1 minus 5/8 is 3a. Otherwise, just put that on a calculator, okay? So 3/8. If I divide 3 on both sides, that cancel out, that give me 1. Otherwise, you can just go 3/8 divided by 3. You should get 1/8. So therefore, k is 1 over 8. So there you go. Part C, we need to find this probability. So probability of x is equal to 3. So this means that we need to find x equal to 3. So x is 3 here. So the probability is equal to k. So let me just write this down. So that is equal to k. But we know that k is 1/8. So is equal to 1/8. Otherwise, what I do, I just go back here. I fill up the k value first. So k is 1/8. So this is 1/8. And 2 times 1/8 is 2/8. So is equal to a quarter if you like. So now, second part. So probability of x is less than 2. That including 2, okay? Less than or equal to 2. That means including 2. So that is 2 and 1. So probability of x equal 1 or probability of x equal to 2. So we add them up. So 1/8 plus 4/8. So that will give me 1/8. That is the probability of x is equal to 1. And for probability of x equal to 2, that give me 4/8. So we just add 4/8. So that give me 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5/8. So there you go. Next one. So the probability of x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. So therefore, there is no 5 there. So we can see this one here, 0 for all other x value. So this means that the probability of x equal to 5 is equal to 0. So there you go. Now the probability of x between 2 and 4. Now remember, this one here is inclusive, equal, greater or equal to 2. That means including 2. So that is exactly the same as the probability of x equal to 2 or 3, because it's not including 4. Okay, so remember that for me. So this is exactly the same as this. Probability of, that is x between 2 and 3 inclusive. If you like, they're the same. Okay, keep that in mind, because it's less than 4, that is not including 4. So 2 and 3. So that will give me 2 and 3. So this value here, we add them up. So that is 4/8 plus 1/8. So for probability of x equal to 2 is 4/8. And then for 3 is 1/8. So we add them up. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5/8. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through them with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So part A. So we need to find the value of k. And we know that here is a probability function. So therefore, the probability, all of them here, add up must give me 1. Okay, keep that in mind for me. So now we just add them up. They will give me 1. So we just go 3k, we add 2k, we add k, and we add 4k. So that will give me 1. So to solve this, I just collect like terms. So we got 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, so therefore it's 10k. So 10k. So that give me 1. So now k must be equal to 110. So there you go. So now we just need to work out these probability here. So now we need to find the probability of x less than 3. So x is less than 3. Remember, there is no equal sign. So therefore, it's only 2. Okay, because it's not including 3. So therefore, this probability here. So therefore, when x is equal to 2, the probability is 3k. But we know that k is 110. So 3 times 110. So this will give me 3 times 110. Because k is 110. So we put that in a calculator. Otherwise, 3 times 1 is 3. So 310. So there you go. Part 2. So the probability of x between 2 and 4. But 2 is not including, okay? And 4 is including 4. So keep that in mind. So in another word, we just need to find the probability of 3 and 4. Okay, so this probability here. So we just add them up. So 2k plus 1k. So 2k plus 1k. So that will give me 3k. But don't forget, k is 110. So 3 times 110. So that will give me 310 as well. So there you go. Part 3. The probability of x is equal to 5. So when x is equal to 5, so we have 4k here. So probability of x equal 5 is 4k. And then we know that k is 110. So we just go 4 times 110. So 4 times 110 is 410. And we simplify that, both divided by 4. Otherwise, you can just put in a calculator. So give me 2, 5. So there you go. So find the probability of x between 1 and 3. But then not including 1, but including 3. Okay, keep that in mind. So that is same as x is equal to 2 and 3. So keep that in mind. So 2 and 3 is this one here. So the probability will give me 3k plus 2k. So that give me 2k plus 3k. So that will give me 5k. So that will give me 5 times 110 because k is 110. So that will give me 5 times 110, give me a half. So there you go. I hope you got all of them correct and thank you so much for watching. Bye.